This is the morning routine and I'm bedding up the calves. The calves need to have hot milk, clean fresh water and silage, and they need to have lots of straw for their bedding. We give this to them every day and it keeps them happy and healthy. I've just done the parlour with Jack. I've dipped 110 cows twice, once with foam to clean the milk, to clean the teats so the milk is clean when it goes into the tank, and to dip it second, the yellow dip, to prevent infection. Jack has helped get the cows in from the collecting yard. I'm going to go and have my breakfast and the cows are going to go out into the field, and then after breakfast I'm going to do my schoolwork. Poor Shadow, because she's on the lead now, because she's in season, and we're going to mate her so she can have pups, and she's used to just running around, but now she's having to stay on her lead, and she doesn't really like it, but it's for the good of herself. The chickens love roaming around, same with the ducks and geese. Whoa, where's Mom?